Hey everyone, Dr. Hess here at Discover Chiropractic, and I'm hanging out with one of our favorite practice members, right?
Yeah.
Ian, and Ian's going to share his story and maybe a little bit how your family comes to see us.
So we've actually been doing chiropractics for a long time, but we found these guys and they are awesome. We've been coming for about 7 years, and just a personal testimony about my back troubles here and there. There was one time I went camping and slept on some really hard ground, and I came in and I had driven. Yeah, he remembers. I had driven a long time too, so I think it was a combination of a lot of different things, a lot of physical activity that weekend, and I could barely stand up straight. Like my legs, it was weird. It was like my muscles in the legs wouldn't work properly. So they got me right after like a week. And like I've been going to chiropractic for years, so it's been very helpful, and I think that's a big reason why I don't have a ton of like big issues, but man, the smallest thing, you would think it wouldn't be hard, but I could barely lift stuff at work, and anyway, so I really appreciate everything that they've done for me. So
that's awesome. And how many you count all the family, extended family? How many people come here now from your family? There's probably one.
Well, so at least 8 or 9. Yeah,
that's awesome.
So, yeah.
That's good.
And more will come as I get a wife, maybe one day.
No, so anybody out there looking, right?
Oh, no.
Comment below.
You cut that out.
Yeah. But hey, seriously, thanks for sharing it. Listen, tag someone you know that needs chiropractic care, comment, share this, and we'll see you at Discover.